do you think this market is going to compare to previous Januaries in terms of player availability, clubs that are active?
There's will be very little activity because all the big clubs don't want to keep their players, and will be as usual quiet in the first 3 weeks and a bit frenetic in the last 3 or 4 days.
You don't think there'll be more business done because it looks like you're active, Man United might be active, Liverpool looking for players?
I don't. Usually, the transfer market in January is not very active. Look, if everybody is fit and available, we don't need to go on the transfer market, but we have to consider that Koscielny could be a question mark, with his fitness, and we have to go out on the transfer market, yes.